Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series, and this is its lesson 3, and in this lesson I am just going to discuss about a most important topic and most important part of Microsoft Excel, that how to use conditional formatting. So this is a most important part of our Microsoft Excel, and I am going to discuss about that in today's video. And previous video I have already discussed about some basic topic that are really required for a person who want to learn about Excel tutorial. So if you want to learn that, you can watch our previous video. So before starting, if you're a civil engineer and also if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update every fast. So let's start. First of all, we'll open our Excel file. So this is our Excel file. Now actually, suppose first of all I will create some format: A, V, C, D, E and F, G, H, J. So suppose this is your K, L. Suppose this is some name. Okay, this is some name, and if I input some value here, suppose cost, anything we can compare here. Suppose 102, and if we go here 103, like that. So if I just suppose this is some data. Okay, this is some data. Now how we'll just use conditional formatting. So to use conditional formatting, just we have to go here, conditional formatting. So from here, this is the conditional formatting. Before that, we have to select where we want to apply our conditional formatting. Now simply we'll select that. Okay, we'll select that, and from here we will change some value for my suppose this is my data. So this is our data. Now I will just select that. Okay, I'll select that and I'll go here, conditional formatting. So first of all, they have many options: higher cell rule, top or bottom rule, then data bar, color scale, then icon sheet, then new rule. First of all, I'll go here, highest cell rule. Okay, so there is the greater than, less than, between, equal to, then text containing a date occurring, then duplicate value. So from here, first of all, I will just go here, greater than. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Suppose they have some data, that is greater than some specific value. Within, with respect to some specific value, then it will show here. When we will give here value, it will show here. Suppose our data case is 300. Okay, our data case is 300, and from here, just when we have provided here 300, and just see here the value which are greater than 300, are showing here, and giving a red mark. So also you can change that only red text, or with yellow, or with green, like that. So just simply press OK. Now here is your data. Suppose now if we decrease that data value 120, just see here that symbol, that sign, green sign have removed. Suppose if we give here 450, just see here, this is the data. So it will give you the extra feature or extra benefit to identify a data range from where to where you are applying. So again, I will just simply select that, and from here I will clear the role. Okay, we have cleared the tool. Again I will go here highest. Now this is the less than. This is actually similar. So if I give here 150, the value greater than 150, it's a marking here. So you can also change its color according to requirement. Here it's according to requirement. Okay, now just simply press OK. It will work. I will cancel that. I will not apply. At first in our first terms I have show you about that. So again I will go here, then data between. Okay, so from here I will give a minimum value 150 and the maximum value suppose 250. There is no data between that value, so I will give here 100 105. So data between 105 to 250 that are marking here like that. So just press OK and see here the data are marking here like that. So if you give here a data 150, just see here simply the data are changing its color and it's giving you the range. So like that way you can, I will Control Z for my new work. So in this way you can use that. Again I'll go here, I'll go here highest, then equal to. Okay, then equal to. Similarly this value is suppose if you give here some data 1 on 0, and it will identify which value is equal to 1 on 0. There have one value which is equal to 1 on 0. So you can use that conditional formatting also. Then I will cancel. Again I will go here top or bottom rule. Okay, top or bottom rule. So from here, for that simply top 10 items. Okay, top 10 items. So from here just simply give here a data for which item you want to identify that this data is more than your required data. Suppose if we give here our data range is 30, data range is it's 3. Okay, now it will give you the data 1 2 3. That will give you the most maximum 3 data here, most maximum 3 data of all of it. Okay, it's clear. So again just simply press OK. I will not press OK. Then I will see you another top bottom. This is the top percent. I will not this is also same for top percent. This is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. Now this is the, if you give here 3, it will give you the less value, most less value of it. This is the 3 year 102, 103 and 106 here, most less value of that total value. Also you can change its color according to requirement, and it's changing its color also. Just see here. So in this way you can just use that. Cancel that. Again come here, and from here this is the data bar. Okay, this is the data bar actually. Just it will give you a idea that which value is greater or less. Just simply here, this is the grade field. Just see here like that. It's just giving you, suppose if I select that, it's just giving you the data range. So if I increase that, just see here, this is the most, this is the weak value, that's why it's giving you the weak, and here it's giving you the data. Just simply if I move that, just see here, it's giving you the difference. Just by seeing that data you can see the difference of your data range, data value. Again select that. Now again data var. Okay, so also you can change that according to requirement. Just like that you can change that. Now if you come here, this is the color scale. This is the color scale. Okay, just before that I will clear our previous tool. Then I'll come here, then data. Okay, I'll come here, this is the color scale. So it will give you the color scale of your value. It will give you the color scale of your value. Just see that in this way you can identify your data. That, and also you can use more rule here. Then icon set. Okay, this is the icon set. So from here actually you can set your, sorry, I'll just decrease that. Then I'll go here, icon set. It will just give you the data validation rule. I mean, it will provide you the validation rule that that will give you the identification of that value which are greater or top. Suppose for that, go here, new rule, more rule. Now I will just give here, suppose my data is less than when my data is equal to, value is equal or greater than, the value is greater than or equal to 400. Okay, then it will give you that color. Also you can change that color or anything after that. And the data less than 400, then it will give you that yellow color. And when data is less than, and data is less than 105, it will give you that color. Okay, just simply click OK. Sorry, 400. Icon set. This is the, sorry, this is not percent. In number, we'll select in number value 400 and 105. Just simply click OK. Now see that it's giving you the data range. Okay, I mean, and according to your data, it is giving you the color. Actually, in this way you can use your conditional formatting. Now also you can use a new rule, or for delete your rule, just simply clear rule, and then from here, just from here come here and just delete your, sorry, just select that, and from here delete your rule, clear rule, then clear from selected. Just like that you can delete your rule here. So just simply select that, and also you can use the new rule. According to your requirement you can set your rule. So from here you can give your rule, format only, top to bottom, format only, cell that content, format only. Okay, then here format only value, then or above or below average, so like that. So here format only content. Suppose this is the cell value, a specific text, blank, not blank, error, not error. Okay, this is the cell value. Then if you give here the between 100, between 100 to 500. Okay, 100 to 500, then press OK. Now suppose if I give here 99, just it will not give you any data. Then if I give you 100, 600, sorry, maybe that is not okay. A new rule, then from only cell value, from here a specific data occurring blank, no blank, error, not error. This is the format. Then for average only. Okay, so this is equal to, above, or any. So actually they have many format. You can also use that according to requirement. So from here they have many options. Cell value, between. Okay, you can use cell value for between, and also cell value not between, then not equal to, not greater than, not less than. Okay, just if you click here, not it's greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So like that way you can suppose greater than, here this cell value, this is greater than 50, no format set, then click here format. So from here just select here, then border, then fill red, okay, then press OK, then click OK. Just see here the value greater than, the value greater than 500, it's showing here, okay. So if I give here 550, it will also show here the value are more than 500, okay. So like that way actually we can use our conditional formatting for our exact finding and data processing. So thank you very much. If you think that is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. And if you think that this channel is helpful for you, then stay with us, like our video, share our video, and must leave a comment, because your own comment inspires for the next work and your opinion is very important for us. So thank you very much.